Just pack the shadow, blend in and apply glitter. With very few tips and tricks you can get to achieve this look. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come up with this new tutorial, so let's get into it. Before directly applying glitter to your lid, first anyone needs to know is you need to warm up your crease for the glitter to look prominently. So for that I'm taking this Pigment Play eyeshadow palette, and with this tiny pencil brush I'm going to pick up a very light brown shade and apply it to my crease. Once I have applied enough amount in the crease, I'm going to start buffing it out with this buffing brush. This is a very easy look, anyone can achieve it, any beginner can achieve it. So after buffing, I'm going to take the same pencil brush and I'm going to pick up this dark orange color and apply it on my crease. We are using this technique just to define our crease, that's it. Don't worry about the fallout, later we can clean our lid with concealer. Now I'm going to buff it out, just blend in, any harsh edges just blend in. After blending and creating a smoky effect, I'm going to take very little bit of concealer, not much, very little bit of concealer just to clean my lid and make my lid little bit sticky so that the glitters can stick properly. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous glitter palette which I found on Macaroon app. You can install Macaroon app and you can get both the eyeshadow palettes shown in this. So this is a very beautiful glitter palette I've found. This is a Korean brand called Unleashia. So what I'm going to do is take this sponge applicator. Always take a sponge applicator to pick up your glitters so that there won't be any fallout while you're applying them. I'm going to pick up the darkest shade and apply it on my outer corner. As you can see in the video, I'm picking up the darkest to lightest. Next, I'm going to apply this pink shade in the middle of my lid. Also make sure when you're applying these glitter shades, you just blend them, don't leave any harsh edges. Just as I'm showing in the video, you need to blend them. I'm picking up this lightest shade for my inner corner. Take your time. By using the sponge applicator, you're seeing there is no fallout anywhere. Next, I'm going to take this lightest champagne color and I'm going to apply it in my brow bone and my inner corner. Next, I'm going to finish off by applying some translucent powder and doing the same technique, taking that warm brown shadow and blending it to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this Lakme Kaajal and apply it onto my upper lash line and my lower lash line. If you want, you can draw a baby wing like this. I like to do it. Then I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and there you have the look. This is a very easy look. You can wear it for festivals, parties. This is very effortless, and as you can see, there is very less fallout. You don't have much hassle. This looks really very good under party lights. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Do like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye bye. Love you.